guys, welcome back to Rusty Autoholic Garage. So as you can see, I have shifted everything again. The Wrangler is back in the bay it's always been in, but I have turned it around because I kind of realized I have way more lighting on this end of the shop than the other end, so it actually illuminates the engine bay a lot easier. The other reason I've done that is I've finally gotten the shop clean enough that I can have another vehicle in the other bay. So I can work on two vehicles at once, and I can't remember the last time that was possible in this shop. So anyway, going on to what I'm looking forward to getting done today. I want to install the new hard lines. I got them in the mail today, though packaging was less than ideal. Really wish they had thrown it in a box. And I did the calculations on it too. For what it would have cost, it would have cost the exact same if the seller had just gotten a non-flat rate box and just thrown it in. So I'm a little bit worried those might be damaged, but we'll see. But anyway, what I'm looking to accomplish today is remove the two long studs on the exhaust, get the exhaust manifold installed, get these new hard lines installed, and then get the intake manifold installed. And if I get all of that done really quickly and I don't run into any hiccups, we'll work on something else. I just don't know yet. So anyway, let's get cracking. got a ton of stuff done. Got the new hard lines on, got the new intake on, got the new exhaust on. I got the studs removed and replaced. This is actually my V2403. This was originally the engine that was going to go in here. I just robbed the studs off of it because the intake, turbo, and exhaust that were on the V2403 are actually going to be going on this. So I wasn't just robbing it for parts. I actually did go ahead and switch, and I realized I didn't film this, but I kind of went ahead and put those two long studs in this block. So since I'm kind of switching parts anyway, it just made sense to get the studs that I needed off of this engine. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Give me a thumbs up if you thought this was interesting. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing if you have. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Good night.